Have you ever received a bonus at work, only to be told later you have to pay it all back? Imagine the shock. What would you do? Stay tuned to uncover this legal battle. This is the 66th case out of the 160 cases decided by Associate Justice Mario Lopez, chairperson of the 2024 Philippine Bar Examinations. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button and get notified about our latest content. Elevate your legal knowledge today. In 2009, a group of employees at the San Lazaro Hospital, SLH, in the Philippines received hazard pay amounting to P4989.75 per month, in recognition of the risky conditions under which they worked. This arrangement was suddenly questioned when the Commission on Audit, COA, found that the payments exceeded what was allowed under the Magna Carta of Public Health Workers or Republic Act No. 7305. The law states hazard pay should be proportional to the employee's salary, but an aggregate overpayment of P1,094,188.98 was flagged for being beyond the stipulated 5% of the monthly basic salary for health workers in salary grades 20 and above. The employees, believing in their right to the hazard pay received, contested the COA's disallowance, arguing their case up to the Philippine Supreme Court. The legal battle centered on whether the Department of Health's Administrative Order, AO, No. 2006-0011, which set the hazard pay rate, was valid despite contradicting RA No. 7305. The Supreme Court, in a landmark decision on September 14, 2021, partially granted the petitioner's appeal. It recognized the procedural errors involved and addressed the substantial justice due to the employees. While it affirmed the COA's decision to disallow the excess hazard pay, it ruled that the employees should not be held liable to refund the amounts received, acknowledging the fairness and the clear connection of the hazard pay to their service in a high-risk environment. Dispositive portion: the petition for certiorari is partially granted. COA's decision No. 2014-158, dated August 15, 2014, is affirmed with modification. Petitioners are no longer required to refund the disallowed amounts they individually received. Important doctrines discussed: finality of COA decisions. COA decisions become final and executory if not appealed within the prescribed period, emphasizing the principle of immutability of final judgments. Validity of administrative orders. Administrative issuances must conform to the laws they seek to implement. DOHAO No. 2006-0011 was found void for conflicting with RA No. 7305. Hazard pay entitlement. The entitlement of public health workers to hazard pay must be in accordance with RA No. 7305, which prescribes hazard allowances to be proportional to the employee's monthly salary. Principles of solutio indebiti and unjust enrichment. These principles underpin the liability to refund disallowed amounts received without a valid basis, to rectify the undue disbursement of public funds. The moral of this story is the critical importance of adherence to legal procedures and the laws, coupled with the recognition of equity and fairness in judicial decisions. This case underscores the balancing act courts often must perform between strict legal interpretations and equitable outcomes for individuals. Disclaimer: this story is a simplified account of a complex legal issue and should not be taken as infallible or a substitute for professional legal advice. Errors and omissions are accepted, and no liability is assumed for the content provided. This is the case entitled Rosario J. Abrenica, et al. Versus Commission on Audit and Nilda B. Plaras, Director 4, Commission on Audit, Commission Proper, N. Bank, GR number 218185, September 14, 2021.